In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a declined payment method in Uber and add it again correctly. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to uber.com. Once the page loads, sign in to your Uber account. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one profile or if you've used different email addresses in the past. If the site takes a moment to load, just wait until you can clearly see your account dashboard before moving on. After you're logged in, look for your profile menu, usually located near the top area of the screen. Click on it to open the account options, then select Wallet. This is the section where Uber stores your saved payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and any other payment options connected to your account. Take a moment here to make sure you're looking at the correct card, especially if you have several payment methods saved. Next, find the card that has been declined. Once you've identified it, click on that payment method and choose Delete. Removing the card is helpful when the issue may have been caused by incorrect card details, outdated information, or a temporary setup problem in the system. If prompted, confirm that you want to delete the card so it is fully removed from your wallet. Once the declined card has been deleted, click Add Payment Method. This will allow you to enter the card information again from scratch. Carefully type in the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing details exactly as they appear on your card and billing statement. It's a good idea to double check everything before saving, since even a small typo can cause the payment to be declined again. After you've re-entered the card, save the payment method and allow Uber a moment to update your account. In many cases, this resolves the problem right away if the original issue was simply incorrect or outdated information. If the transaction block continues even after re-adding the card correctly, the next step is to contact your banking institution. Sometimes banks automatically block transactions for security reasons, international processing, unusual activity, or merchant-specific restrictions. Let them know you're trying to use the card for Uber and ask whether there's an active block or authorization issue. Following these steps should help you remove the declined card, add it back properly, and identify whether the problem is